Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Gadgets and Bits Limited. Today I'm going to be demonstrating to you our brand new case. It's a full metal bumper, sort of like back metal case. It has Gild design written on the back. Basically the case comes in 6 colours. We have red and silver, silver, black and silver, gold and silver, blue and silver, or completely black. Let me just show you the case, a bit of close-up. The case itself, it's a really nice case. You've got this is completely metal. As you can hear that's just completely metal. The texture at the back, the check texture, I'm not sure if you can see this in the video. If you just put your finger over it, you can just feel the texture. It's not painted or anything like that. It's actually a very nice feel to the case. The case itself is a very nice square design with the camera hole perfectly cut out. I've got currently a phone inside the case. I will actually take it out and show you how to install the phone, your iPhone 4 or 4S, into this case. As you can see from the sides are completely open on this case. The phone actually sits really nicely and tight fitted inside the case, so if you happen to drop it on an edge or a corner, you should not damage the case, the phone itself. Again, the front of the screen is actually, the front of the phone is completely clear. As you can see, there's nothing blocking the screen or anything like that. All the access ports, for example the headphone socket, the on and off button, the camera at the back, the keys, the mute key, the on and off key, etc. Everything is very nicely accessible. Even the port at the bottom for your data transfer or the iPod connection, the iPhone cable is actually accessible as well. You can fit the standard cable in here nicely. How does this case work? Basically, this certain design, this one in my hand, this is the same as the black, the blue and the gold. The silver and these two cases are a little bit different. I'll show you this in a bit. But the way this works, the design is very straightforward. Basically you have 2 screws, one on this side, one on this side. You unscrew that. This plate at the bottom actually just comes out. You slide your phone in and then you put the plate back and screw the sides in, and simple as that. When you receive this case, you will also receive a set of a couple of extra screws in this little sash packet, and an Allen key to fix your case up properly. You will also receive a screen guard. At the moment we're actually shipping them with one of these cloths, for application cloths, and it's a very good quality sort of like screen guard as well for the iPhone 4 or the 4S. Right, let me just demonstrate to you how this works. Basically I'm just going to completely quickly remove the iPhone, which is already in here. Just remove the first screw. Okay, just gonna take out the second screw now. As you can see, this is the plate which comes out, and then this is your phone. This black strip is actually in the parts supplied with the case. There are multiples, about 4 or 5 in them. What do you do with them is, I'm not sure, if you can see these little trenches, what do you do is just cut them to size, and they've got a sticky peel sticker on the back. You peel that off, you stick them in, so the back of your phone will stay always safe. You shouldn't be able to scratch the back at all. And the way this works, you take the iPhone the right way up and just slide it in, and all the way in you put the plate up, and then you just slide your 2 screws in and off you go, and that's a really nice case at the end. This is the iPhone 4 in my hand currently. The same case actually fits the iPhone 4S as well, but all these cases will fit iPhone 4 or the 4S, it doesn't really matter. This case is a little bit different, the silver and the black only. Instead of the 2 screws at the bottom on the left and right, you have 4 screws in the corners. The way this one works, you just take the 4 screws off, just like that. Sorry, I've only actually screwed in 2 screws, but normally you will screw in 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and it's a little bit different. The front plate is separate. Again, with this you will get, with all of these cases, you will get basically 2 separate screws, 2 spare screws, 1 Allen key, and 4 or 5 of these rubbery sponges, sticky back will stick on the back of the case. Right, the way this case actually works, as I just opened it, you take the iPhone 4 or the 4S, slot it in. As you can see, it's actually minimal room for movement within the case as well. So once everything is actually properly screwed in, your phone is quite secure and safe, and all the corners are perfectly cut out, even rounded on the edges. And this is the silver case I'm holding, really nice silver. And then just put the top plate on the top, and you would screw 4 screws into corners, all supplied with the case, and you're off and go. That's it really. And 4 screws up, 1 screw 2 in demonstration purposes. Again, the same principle with this case. All the ports are accessible, even the front of the screen, you know, the SIM card slot on the side, the access port at the bottom, as well as the headphones jack. Again, all these cases, if you just look to the side, they've got a small rim, basically, because the front plate is sticking out a little bit. So if you happen to put it down on a surface, you're not going to be scratching your phone at all. Your phone's always safe in this case. Really nice case. It's not that heavy at all. It's like an aluminium metal compound they used on this. Really good feel to it. It just makes your phone a bit different. Very, very unique. Again, thank you very much for watching this video from Gadgets and Bits Limited. As mentioned, sorry, there are screws in this case. As mentioned, this case will come in the following colours as right now. We might have more colours in the future, but currently we only have these few colours. So we have a gold and silver, the blue and silver. Sorry, just screw it back on one side. So we have the gold and silver, the blue and silver, the black and black. Really, really nice case. As you can see, it just reflects light really nicely. We have the gold, then you have the blue, okay, then we do the red, really nice case. Then those 2 cases with the back bit completely come off, the silver, or the black and the silver. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see you soon in our shop. You can find us on eBay as well as on our website. The addresses are displayed either in the description or on top of the video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.